Hey guys, it's Tony. So this massive drop was actually due to, I guess, the biggest like Shiba Inu Twitter person, whatever, asking Elon Musk if he owned any. Elon Musk said no, and that's how you see this huge drop from where we were at highs of what, like 46, all the way to lows of 32. I personally don't really care. I don't. I actually prefer that Elon Musk doesn't own any of this because that way he can't manipulate it and stuff. Um, there are rumors though that Shiba is actually going to be listed on Robinhood tomorrow, and also news came out from CoinMarketCap that it actually beat out trading volume in the last couple of days over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana combined. I've never in history seen any crypto take over Bitcoin. Nonetheless, the the accumulative trading value of both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Like, and that doggy didn't even do that, and Shiba is over here, you know, doing the same amount of or not the same amount, doing more of trading volume than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana combined. And as of right now, I have no idea why Robinhood is missing out on so much money because of the transactional fees that they could have made on this volume. So it's absolutely insane and absurd to me that they haven't listed it. But again, I don't really care. I'm just holding it right now. I think Shiba is still going to keep running to the upside. You know, and this is actually good now that Elon Musk has said that he doesn't own any. I don't really care if he does. I still think Shiba Inu has so much room to run to the upside. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.